In this video, I will set up Jobiation. I have the following recommendations. Use a clean install of Ubuntu server with the latest LTS version. Do not use the server for any other purpose. Make sure the account you use is a sudoer. Make sure the home directory of the account you use is located in the root home directory. For example, an account named me would have its home directory in /home/me. To begin, I will SSH into the Ubuntu VM I created in the last video. Run an apt update and apt upgrade. To download Jobiation, I will type git clone https://github.com/Jobiation/Jobiation. To get to the setup file, type cd jobiation/setup/ubuntu. Next, I will run the script called setup.py is root. The first prompt is to install Ansible and parameterized. The second prompt is to install Samba. This is to make it easier to access files on your Ubuntu VM from a Windows or Mac workstation. You'll be prompted to set a Samba password for your account. It is best security practices to choose a password that is different from your SSH password. The third prompt is to install MUT, which is for receiving email notifications when jobs fail. I will do a demonstration with a Gmail account. Before I continue, I need to get an app-specific password for my Gmail account. While signed into my Gmail account, I can get the app-specific password at myaccount.google.com app passwords. Copy the app-specific password for use at a later time. Switch back to your Ubuntu machine and type Y to continue. Type the first part of your Gmail account name. In other words, leave off the @gmail.com part. Paste the app-specific password. The last prompt is to set up Ansible Vault. Before I begin, I will make up and type a Vault password. I will copy it because the setup requires typing it 7 times. The device username is the username you use to log into your devices. The device password is that username's password. Type in enable password. If your devices are set up to start SSH sessions in PrivExec mode, you do not need an enable password, but type one anyway. It can be nonsense, and you can delete it later. Make up a Vault username. Paste your Vault password for this prompt and the following 6 prompts. Type ls-l to see the host's header created from the Ansible Vault portion of the setup script. Type nano host's header to view the contents of the file. In a subsequent video, I will demonstrate how to use this file to avoid typing your password every time you run a job. To access the Jobiation root from a Windows desktop, search for and open the Credential Manager. Click Windows Credentials. Click Add a Windows Credential. Type the IP of your Ubuntu server and the Samba credentials you created during setup. Search for Run and open the Run app. Type \\\, the IP address of the server, \Jobiation, and hit Enter. You should see the Jobiation root displayed. Click and drag Jobiation to the quick access. If you would like to change any MUT options, type nano ~.mut/mutrc. You can edit this file and change the app-specific password or change the settings to use a different account or different email provider. If you need to edit any of the Ansible config files, you can type nano/etc/ansible/ansible.cfg. Note that if you run the Ansible Vault setup again, you will get a duplicate Vault password file entry, and you will have to delete it. If you want to see your Vault password, you can type nano ~.vault_password. Just a quick addendum to this video. To have an app-specific password on a Gmail account, you have to have two-step verification enabled. To enable two-step verification, go to myaccount.google.com/security and scroll down to two-step verification.